In front of me is Redmi Note 7 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access apps. Then tap on permissions twice and select any of those options that you wish to manage, like location. Then click on one of those apps under one of those categories. I will go with Amazon Shopping from the night one. Last but not least, click on one of those options to apply the best one. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, or deny. And click on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my app just gained access to this device's location. You can also select any option and look for an app that you wish to manage. For example, I will go into microphone to manage my AliExpress. Now don't tap on any of those options, just select See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!